You can set the desired range of motion at the joint of the splint. To do this, press down the limit buttons and slide them to the corresponding degree setting. Make sure that the limit knob engages completely when released. With the quick lock sliding knob, the joint can be completely locked in a certain position. To make the splint easier to put on, sit on a chair and slightly bend your leg. Open all quick release fasteners. Adjust the length of the splint to the lower leg and tie. To do this, press the limit button down, move the leg rests to the appropriate position and let the button snap back in. Make sure that the button engaged completely when released. Place the splint around the leg. Position the joints of the splint at the side of the knee so that the joint center is at the level of the upper edge of the patella. Form the lateral leg rests by bending them to the lower leg and tie. Close all quick release fasteners. Make sure that the quick release fasteners engage completely. Now open the Velcro fasteners of the front straps, pull them tight and close the Velcro fasteners again. Start with the upper lower leg strap, then tighten the lower leg strap, then the lower thigh strap, and finally the upper thigh strap. Now open the Velcro fasteners of the rear straps, pull them tight and close the Velcro fasteners again. If the rear belts are too long, they can be shortened. To do this, open the tweezer Velcro, shorten the belt, and then close the tweezers Velcro again firmly. To put the splint down, all you have to do is open the quick release fasteners.